Okay, now again, I'll go back to the middle. I spoke about that middle being a nice swooping curve rather than a bottom and sides. I'm going to take this rib tool. I'm going to hold it like this. It's got a nice little finger mark in there. I'm going to push down. And as I go out and up, I'm going to switch it to my left hand. I'm going to put my finger underneath just to brace it, just so I don't collapse my large form here. Okay, and then I'm going to put my spiral in there. And then I'm going to check the outside because it always changes a little bit after I do the inside. And watch what I do to the rim here. Now this is very important for a big bowl to have a larger rim. Again, it's about balance. So the big bowl is heavy. If I keep some thickness up here, when I go to serve it, when I'm holding it, it'll balance better. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to push the rim out to make that little curve so that I have a place to hold that bowl when I'm serving. And then I'm going to open up my finger and work on the side of it.